In this video, I will show you how to add your overlay phone on your screen. It's quite simple and we're going to do this in a few steps. First thing you want to do is
Go ahead and open CapCut, and then you want to start a new project. So here, search for the video you want to use. I'm just going to use one of these ones, and you're going to search for stickers. So inside of stickers, there are frames. Make sure to find this frame right here. I've already added it to my favorites. Then you're going to drag it to where you want on the screen, and use the yellow bar to display how long you want your frame to appear. When you've added it and positioned it, you're going to add an overlay. So tap an overlay, hit add. This will be the video you want to show in the frame of the phone. Okay, so I'll just use this one, and you're going to tap add. So now when you hit add, you want to pinch this to the size of the phone, okay? And make sure you just add the frame to it, make it smaller, and zoom it all the way down until it fits into the frame of the phone. And we're going to adjust this slightly by using the mask tool. So you go to the mask tool and select the rectangle. You can use these arrows to slide it up and kind of make it fit perfectly into frame. The arrows at the top will adjust the length of it, and the arrows at the side will adjust the width. You can use the corner tool, which is kind of like an edge tool, so it rounds the edges a little bit to make it fit into the phone. Super simple. This is how it looks when you're done. Leave a comment if you found this helpful, and make sure to follow so you can get more tutorials like this.